Hello, my little bees! Today, we're learning about the sweet magic of honey.
Good morning, Professor.
Good morning, my little buzzers. Today's lesson is very special because I'm going to teach you all about me, the honeybee. I fly to flowers and collect nectar. Then, magic! I make sweet honey. Honey gives energy and keeps humans healthy.
Yummy honey power!
When I visit flowers, pollen sticks to my fuzzy body. I carry it to other flowers. This helps plants grow fruits and seeds.
Thank you, flowers.
Without bees, many plants would disappear. Many foods humans eat grow because of me. 1 out of every 3 bites of food needs bees.
Wow, we're important.
When plants grow, animals get food and homes, so I help birds, bugs, and forests too. Honey helps sore throats and heals wounds. It's sweet medicine from nature. From beeswax, humans make candles, creams, and crayons. Buzztastic creations! I help fruits grow bigger and healthier. Farmers smile when they see me buzzing. In our hive, everyone helps each other. We teach teamwork and sharing. My buzzing brings joy and teaches everyone to love nature. Remember, my little bees, you may be small, but your work is big. Protect flowers, care for nature, and always be kind. Now it's time to play. We will meet soon, so subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.